Outstanding design defines the 2025 Ford Explorer. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, rear parking sensors, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.